Chilling in my duck coop. Right, Goose? Check this bitch out, nigga. So my boy's got a house in his mansion. That's his bedroom in there. He's got a little bit of heatedness in there. We got a heated pad. Yeah, we do still. Okay, I don't know if it's cold enough. Then we got our chair. Yeah! Haystack chair. I gotta give him some love. What? Come here, pussy. Come here. Get over here. You wanna get fucked up, don't you, huh? Yeah, my nigga. Train these niggas to kill around here.